Hey travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to Discover Travel Destinations. I'm Joey, and today we're diving into something super exciting.
Hi everyone, I'm Claudia, and I'm stoked to be here discussing one of my favorite topics, surfing in Sri Lanka.
Today we're helping out an Australian surfer who's planning to catch some epic waves in Sri Lanka. We'll cover everything from the best spots to practical tips.
You know what's really important for our Aussie friend? Understanding Sri Lanka's two different surfing seasons.
Oh yeah, that's crucial. The southwest coast is best from November to April, while the east coast comes alive from May to October.
Exactly. And speaking of the east coast, Arugambay is absolutely pumping from June to August. The waves there are just perfect.
Let's break down some of the best spots. Weligama is perfect for beginners and intermediate surfers. What do you think, Claudia?
Oh, totally. The waves there are consistent, and there's such a fun vibe. Plus, there are plenty of surf schools and rental shops.
And for our more experienced Aussie surfer, Mirisa has some challenging breaks that could be really exciting.
When it comes to finding a place to stay, I always recommend using Booking.com or Airbnb. They have lots of surf-friendly options.
Great tip! And make sure to look for places that have board storage and are walking distance to the beach. Nobody wants to lug their board around in the heat.
Speaking of heat, having accommodation with good air conditioning is absolutely essential after a long day in the sun.
You know what's really important? Understanding the local surf culture and etiquette.
Absolutely. Sri Lankan surfers are super friendly, but it's important to respect the lineup and local customs.
And don't forget about the dress code when you're not in the water. Sri Lanka is quite conservative, so cover up when walking through towns.
Let's talk about what to pack. Reef boots are a must-have for some spots with rocky bottoms.
Oh yeah, and don't forget plenty of reef-safe sunscreen. The Sri Lankan sun is intense, even for an Aussie.
Should we talk about board selection? The waves here are generally fun-sized, so a good all-rounder would work well.
Getting around with a surfboard can be tricky. I'd recommend using Pick-Me or Uber for local transport. They usually don't mind boards.
And for longer distances, many train routes follow the coast. It's such a beautiful way to travel between surf spots.
After surfing, you're gonna need some good food. Sri Lankan rice and curry is perfect for refueling.
Oh, and coconut water straight from the fruit. Nature's perfect post-surf drink.
Just remember to stick to bottled water and be careful with street food at first. You want to spend time surfing, not sick in bed?
Let's talk about safety. Always check local conditions and don't surf alone, especially at new spots.
And it's worth getting travel insurance that covers surfing. Better safe than sorry. Sri Lanka is pretty budget-friendly compared to Australian prices. You can find great deals using apps like Booking.com and Agoda.
And don't forget to download local apps like Pick-Me for transport and Uber Eats for meal deliveries. They'll save you loads.
Well, I think we've covered the essentials for our Aussie friends' surfing adventure in Sri Lanka.
Absolutely. Just remember to respect the local culture, stay safe, and have an amazing time.
And hey everyone, don't forget to check out our website, discovertraveldestinations.com, for more detailed tips and recommendations.
We've included all the useful links in the description below. Make sure to check those out.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next episode.